What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to shoot a wide framed camera shot inside of the iPhone camera, as well as being able to zoom in and zoom out on your shots. This is a crucial tool, especially if you're getting into photography and you want to get the best shot where you have to zoom or out, or just take a wide frame shot for anything. So as you can see, when you open the camera app here, you can see that little button that's going to be white right above the actual button to take a photo. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's a little circle button that I'm currently pressing right now, and it's switching between the 1 times and 0.5 times, as you can see. So 1 times is like the normal camera angle that everybody gets when they first open up their app, and in the newer iPhones, they added the feature where they have the wide frame camera and you could zoom out and take a wider frame shot inside of your iPhone camera. Now, what I just mentioned as well is the fact that this only works on the older iPhones, so if it's not working for you, then you probably don't have the camera functionalities in order to do so. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.